আসসালামু আলাইকুম, ওয়েলকাম টু আওয়ার নিউ ভিডিও। আজ আমরা ডিজাইন করব টেনিস বল। সো লেটস স্টার্ট। নিউ পার্ট, then select front plane, circle, smart dimension is 60. Okay, now center line for reference. Now select trim entity or trim, select and drag. Okay, select surface, revolve surface, automatic selected. Okay, now our surface circle is okay. Then I select front plane, sketch, normal. I select corner rectangle, click and drag, click. Okay, the relation is this point and this midpoint was vertical. Okay, relation complete. Then smart dimension, select this line, dimension is 42.43. Okay, 3-point arc, this point and this point to this point, arc center point and this line center point, same. So trim entity, select, click and drag. Okay, this point and this point make coincident. Okay, our sketch is refined. Now exit sketch, select split line, automatic sketch select. Now select surface. Okay, our spline is complete. Then is complete. Then sketch, 3D sketch, select any one face and convert entities. Exit. Our entities convert for line. Then sweep surface, circular profile, select and this diameter is 3. Okay, diameter is complete. Trim surface, trims this, select all this point and remove selection, and যেটা আমি রিমুভ করতে চাই সেটা সিলেক্ট করব, this face and this face. Okay, our temporary complete. On thickness, our ball thickness is free, select inside, okay, complete. And select this face and this face, appearance, and fabric, cloth, corporate, this one, and green. Perfect. Okay, our ball, this line, okay, then fillet, this one and this one, 1 mm, 1.5 mm. Yes. Okay, now green. Okay. Our tennis ball is complete. সো ধন্যবাদ এতক্ষণ সাথে থাকার জন্য। আসসালামু আলাইকুম।